Many brands are sending some of their traffic that they have available for purchase on Amazon over to Amazon, but if you don't have your attribution set up correctly, you could be missing out on more money and profitability for your products. If this sounds like your brand, then today's video is for you. We have had brands that we work with that are sending traffic and doing marketing efforts where they lead people to their Amazon storefront or even just to one of their Amazon listings. But many brands are missing out on what's called attribution. And this is step 4 in the series that I've been doing on our Amazon marketing success strategy. So if you've already gone through the first 3 steps, you'll want to make sure that you're doing attribution, which is next. And I'm going to share about that in today's video. Now, many brands, like I said, they're doing some of their traffic to Amazon, and just the fact that they even have it available on Amazon, they let people know. But if you don't have your attribution set up correctly, you actually could be missing out on a lot more money and profitability for your products. So in order for your marketing for your brand to be effective, especially as the CEO or CMO for your company, you must track and measure to see what's working and leading to sales and what's not. This is obviously fundamental to any marketing, but unfortunately, many brands don't realize the tracking that Amazon offers, and they're missing out in 2 different ways. One is that they just aren't getting the bigger picture for their marketing strategy. And the second is that they're missing out on more profit for when they do send traffic to Amazon. So if you're a CEO or CMO for a brand who's leveraging the Amazon platform for sales, one thing that you know is essential for your company is that you're doing more of what works in marketing online, and also that you're maintaining healthy profit margins. Now, one of the biggest complaints in regards to Amazon from a financial perspective is that you are getting lower profit margins than you would if you sold directly on your website. And while you should make sure to keep selling on your website and optimizing your website sales, it's very hard to compete with the ease and the convenience of Amazon for buyers, especially new to your brand, that can then make that first purchase. So if you're looking to grow and attract new customers, having your presence on Amazon will make sure that you're getting in front of the millions of eyes that are visiting Amazon every month. They're ready to buy in the US market on Amazon.com. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to effectively use Amazon attribution. That'll help give you more data on your external marketing efforts and to increase then your profit margins. So for one of our clients, they were actually able to generate thousands of dollars over the course of several months from driving external traffic to Amazon. And I'll share more with you later about setting that up. First, you'll want to make sure that you're already doing some type of external marketing. That could be anything from your email list to social media to paid search to influencers. At the very least, if you mention and link Amazon from your website, you should make sure that you have Amazon attribution set up and linked to your Seller Central account in Amazon. Now, at any time that you do any additional marketing off of Amazon, like I said, you're pointing people to Amazon, you can then set up what's called campaigns inside Seller Central. Now, I'm going to walk you through and kind of give you also a screen share of what this looks like. So when you're inside Seller Central, and remember, this is a campaign for Amazon attribution. This is not a PPC ad campaign that I'm referring to, so don't get those confused. But to find this, you'll log into Seller Central, go to that main menu, then you're going to choose advertising, and then choose campaign manager. Now, from here, do you see on the left, there's a picture, and when you hover over it, it's going to see measurement and reporting. It kind of looks like a graph. This will take you to that page of where you can create a campaign, is what they call it, for your external marketing efforts. Now, if you create one manually, you can then name your campaign, and I would recommend something that would mention which products, for instance, that you're even advertising, and also what is your goal for that specific campaign. Now then, you can choose which products, and you can create a unique ad group name, and it is recommended that you choose one ad group per strategy or creative, obviously, especially like if you think about Facebook ads with all the creatives, since most likely you're testing a lot of different creatives in those places to make sure that each creative has its own ad group, so you can really, like I said, see what's working, see what's not. And it is pretty self-explanatory for the publisher and channel. There's like a drop-down menu here. So just choose the appropriate one for this specific, what they call campaign. And then the click-through URL, this will have to either be a specific Amazon product listing or your Amazon store page. Now, if for the ad, let's say you're mentioning a specific product that you're trying to promote, most likely you'll then want to link to that specific product listing. So like one of your products. Now, you can obviously do your whole brand stores as well. That would be, if you're talking more generally and mentioning a lot of different products. So the next thing that I'm going to share with you is what added thousands of dollars in more profit for one of our clients over several months. And that is enrolling in the brand referral bonus. Now, it's super quick and easy and free to enroll, but in order to even be eligible to receive, on average, it's 10% back on that Amazon referral fee, you actually must be enrolled. So if you want to learn exactly how to set up, make sure to watch this video here where I talk about how to set up your Amazon brand referral bonus. Also, especially if you're not sure if you're enrolled or not. Now, this is where you're going to want to make sure that everything is properly set up so that when you do start sending that external traffic to Amazon, everything will be working properly. Now, this is a way that you can see that, so normally Amazon charges you 15% of the referral fee. Basically, that's their fee for being on their platform. And that's going to be discounted typically by about 10% off by adding more profit back to your bottom line. So that's money that, hopefully you knew about this already, but if you didn't, this is more money that could be in your pocket for your bottom line that can help you with your brand. So even better is if you are using FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, then they're taking care of the shipment, everything. So everything is really streamlined for your brand. That would allow you to really grow and scale more quickly since you're able to take advantage of Amazon's fast logistics. Now, for the natural personal care niche, which is where we primarily work with clients, and this is really, if your product is over $10, this is at the time of recording, then you can expect to see about a 10% bonus back from orders through traffic that you send to Amazon. So the amount back does depend also on the category, but like I said, that specific niche, that category, that's what you can expect as long as the product is over $10. Now, you will then see that referral fee when you click into like an order as its own line. So you know how you can look at your individual order view further down, you see the income, basically like what you sold the product for, then you see pick and pack fee, then you see Amazon's fulfillment, then you'll see a credit, an addition of what you got back from that referral fee bonus. And it's, like I said, it's on its own line, and typically the wait time is about 2 months, since Amazon they're going to account for like things like returns that could happen or even people canceling their order. So they obviously only want to make sure that you get that credit if the order goes through and it's not returned. So if you didn't get a chance to learn about the previous step that I shared about step 3, make sure to go back and you can watch that video on driving Amazon ads for sales growth. And if not, you can check out this playlist that will help you see all the different steps in the Amazon marketing success strategy.